Hello, this is Amber Wood, and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to do a little Valentine's look. It's creeping up this week. I got a little pucker up. Found this at Target. So cute. I love a headband. I love a bopper. I'm going to try and do this look here, something like it. I saw this on Instagram, so I'm a little inspired. I did some pinks and purples the other day, so I'm going to go now for reds. So if you haven't done so yet, make sure you subscribe below. Hit that little notification bell so you get a little note every time I have a new video. Thank you. All right, so I've already kind of done some prep work. I've got the foundation on. I've got concealer, powder, blush, and bronzer. I've not done the brows yet, but I am going to go ahead and start by getting rid of this gray. Can you see it? I have a gray eyebrow. Holy crikey-micah. I'm going to pull it out. Oh, can y'all see it? It is gray. No. Why? I need a black background. There, look. Oh, it's so bad. I don't want gray eyebrows. And excuse my gray hair. I have not been to the salon. Sorry. It's been a minute, but you know what? That's all right. Okay, we move on. What am I doing? I don't even know. I'm going to try some from this new palette I just got from Morphe. It's the Boss Mood palette. I'm in love with the green action, but it's got some other colors that I like as well. So I thought I'd give this a little whirl. So I'm going to start with a nice fluffy. This is a Morphe M501. I use this one all the time. So I'm going to use, it's kind of a taupe-ish color there. We're going to kind of start with that as like a little backdrop action. Ooh, that's darker than I thought it was going to be. As Morphe says, blend the rules. I don't know if that's going to work. I put it in a lighter shade to kind of help blend that out, but it was kind of a shimmer. So now I'm going to kind of go orangey, and then I want to do red. That's the plan. Faux show. Everybody loves somebody somehow. Going for orange. It's a lovely kind of burnt orangey color. Doesn't really say Valentine's, does it? But we're going to make it work. Oh, I like that brush. Yeah, I did get it in BoxyCharm. This is the Eyeliner Cosmetics super cute palettes if you haven't looked at their stuff yet. Something to blend with is really what I was looking for. Because we're going to go like hard red in a second, and I didn't want it to be like cray-cray. Okay, so there is a red here, right there. So what is everybody doing for Valentine's Day? Any big plans? Not me. I have a toddler, so we'll probably be at the casa. Do not want to go out on Valentine's Day because that's always a nightmare. So, but I do want to also put like a darker red. I'm going to do a cut crease like pretty much all the way across because that's what this picture has. Yeah, it's almost all the way across the eye there. I hate it when your phone turns. Stop turning. Let me turn the thingy off so it'll stop turning so I can look at it. It's pretty red. I look like I'm doing like a Halloween costume. But no. Now, under the eye, she has the red too, and I'm always cautious about a red under the eye. But we'll do it. But I think if I add the black as well, she's got eyeliner going on. See? I look sick. I think I went a little too far down. Need to clean it up, everybody. Clean up! I'll too. Okay. A little too far down, but that's okay. Is there a black? Oh yeah, there's a black in here. Get some of that black so I can. Oh God, I just need a Q-tip. Q-tip! I don't want to yell too loud. My baby's asleep. Everybody, shh. Gonna smudge it a little bit. Looks like she's got like some red glitter across that eyeliner. That's gonna be cute. Doo Brows are done. Okay, so we did go ahead and do the more natural brow because I'm going to do the artwork around it. So we'll do that. What now? Okay, cut crease. I'm going to go ahead and use a Kylie concealer. I like to use these because it has like the little flat dauber. So I'm trying not to do as much product because I feel like I usually put way too much concealer and then it irritates my eye. So y'all have seen me do this before. If you haven't, I do have an easy cut crease video. Just kind of smudging it out. I open my eye so that the natural line will go and then just kind of smooth it out. Now if you're like me and you get irritated eyes really easy, be careful about getting right up on that lash line. Don't put too much product there, and also in the corner. I always do better when I go up. Oh, I'm messing up my line. I'm gonna have to go back and fix. I gotta sneeze. Okay, I lost it. I hate that. Don't you hate that? So I'm going to use a flat little packer brush. This is a Smashbox. I need to clean my brushes soon. So there's a color in here that kind of looks like what she used. It's kind of a shimmery reddish color. So I'm going to put that on my lid. I have this like little dry patch over here. It's always weird with my makeup. I don't know if it's like a little eczema spot or what, but I try to treat it with stuff, but it always comes back. I don't know, y'all. We're okay. Everybody's okay. Calm down, people. Now I want a better line next to the cut crease. I want it to be more like sharper and red. So I need a better brush. This is a Luxie brush. I think it came in a BoxyCharm. I'm going to use this NYX Primal Colors. I mean, it's red. Get right up in there. So now I need it kind of a darker. It looks like she did kind of a black, like a smoky black kind of on the edge here. I'm going to try. I'm scared. I'm going to put too much. Just a little bit of black, you guys. You gotta be careful with black because you can't take it back. You can add more, but it is hard to take away. That's good. That's good. Okay, everybody. Now I need a transition color, which I don't know that there's gonna be one in this palette. I need kind of a darker red. I've got a darker red in this Kylie Naughty palette. Oh yeah, that's gonna work. Okay, this is pretty. Okay. It looks like she's got some gold accents, and the black goes all the way around. Ooh. Okay, everybody, calm down. So I put some more black kind of all the way around the eye. Try not to jab myself in the eye. That's key. So then I'm going to go back. It looks like she has black eyeliner, but with red glitter on top of it. So that's what I'm going to try and do. So I'm going to go ahead and do my black eyeliner. Whoop, and I'll be right back. And I'm back. So I did a L'Oreal black liquid eyeliner and then the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. So what I want to do next is go ahead and add that red glitter along the lash line, pop some lashes on, lipstick, and then we will be done. Okay, I have this like rando glitter thing. I'm going to go ahead and use that. So I'm going to use the NYX glitter primer. Here we go, little paintbrush. So I'm just going to dot some of that glue across the black and then dot in the glitter and go back over it. Well, this doesn't look exactly like hers, but you know what? Inspired. Inspired by, right? It does look pretty though. Like, I need some eyeliner like this. Ooh, that looks pretty. Okay, let me do the other side. Okay, so now I've got lashes on. I've got the red glitter on the eyeliner. So next is the design and the lipstick. So I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Red Rum lipstick. I'm going to do that and then kind of put some accents on there. Super bright red. So since I'm using black up here, I kind of wanted to accent with black on the lips. So I have the Weirdo lipstick as well for Jeffree. I'm going to give this a little shot. Just right in the middle. And then just kind of... What do you think about that? I kind of like that. It's different. It's kind of the same as the eyes. Ooh. Okay. So let's do the design. The design that this girl did was red, dark pink, and then a lighter pink. But I kind of want to stick with blacks and reds. I don't want to... Oh, crap. I got to charge my battery. Let me just keep going. So let's see. She kind of started up at the arch. Okay. It's a nice start. So I go just right up to the brow on the first one, and then I'm crossing over the brow on the other line to make it look like the brow is going through the hearts. So let me do a couple more of these, charge my battery, and we'll see what it looks like. I'm just going to do a couple hearts here. Okay, you guys, so recharge the battery, and so I added the 3 hearts. I did red, black, red to stick with my kind of red and black theme, and then I added 2 little guys to kind of balance out the look. I like to do kind of a I like to do that. I did add a little bit of gold highlight in the inner corner and then up under the brow. But other than that, we're red and blacked out. I think this is really cute. You guys may not like that black in the middle, but I think it kind of gives it like something a little different. Little gothic action. So if you like this video, make sure you click down below, give me a like, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can see more fun looks like this. And if you have any questions, let me know. Other than that, happy Valentine's Day. Bye!